if you're trying to present things, I would recommend an app called Presentify. It's going to be this application here with this icon on the App Store. It does cost $5, but I would recommend something called Set App. This thing is great because you get 200 plus Mac applications included with a subscription of $10 a month. Use the link in the description and you're going to get 1 week free. So that's going to be Set App, this right here. So I'm going to say, don't get this on the App Store for $6. Go ahead and give Set App a try here. That's going to be Set App. Search up Presentify. And before I go, I'm going to show the most important use case here. Which is giving myself a halo because I just saved your day. Alright guys, that's going to be pretty much it. Enjoy this application. I hope this helps. If you're a college professor, let me know what you're using this for. And that's going to be pretty much it. Peace.